Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I also did want to update you guys on Tesla. Elon Musk and Tesla actually bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is why you guys saw that huge rally from like 34, 35 bucks to like 41, I think now plus, or 44, I think. I don't remember what the BTC price is right now, but that rally was basically from Bitcoin and Tesla buying that 1.5 billion and the news coming out, which kind of makes me, it gives me hope because, Dogecoin is Elon Musk's favorite, cryptocurrency apart from, I understand why they purchased Bitcoin, right? 100%. That's definitely the route to go when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's the most popular. It's the most used. 100%. That's the correct route, right? But, if they're actually initiating or deploying, purchases of Teslas through Bitcoin, it's not too far away to think about, Dogecoin being accepted by Tesla. If there are enough people that are actually purchasing Dogecoin or actually using it as a currency, 100%, you can definitely be able to, accept a company like that is definitely might be open to accepting it, right? Especially with Elon Musk, saying publicly stating that it's his favorite cryptocurrency, right? I'm not getting my hopes up, right? Because Elon Musk's actual opinion and Tesla, there's two completely different entities, right? It's a business and a person, right? You can't really, assume that because he bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin, at least Tesla bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin, you can't assume that he's gonna do the same thing for Dogecoin, right? Even though if there's an announcement that, Tesla actually is somehow involved with Dogecoin, it would exponentially make the price of Dogecoin shoot up overnight, 100%. It would make it rally to completely brand new all-time highs, like new levels that we don't even know about, right? Like it would probably rally to, 20 cents, 30 cents, maybe 50 cents. Like it's absolutely insane what it could do for it, right? I'm not holding my breath on the actual, what that implies, right? So I'm not holding my breath on Tesla or Elon announcing that they're actually accepting Dogecoin anytime soon, but it definitely gives good implication of what direction Tesla as well as Elon Musk is taking for his companies, right? But yeah, I mean, I'll keep the video short. I'll stop talking, but basically, Tesla and Elon Musk buys about $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is what caused that rally yesterday or this weekend, right towards today. So super cool that they're actually eventually gonna be accepting Bitcoin, so you can purchase a Tesla, which is it's kind of like a common authority that this was actually gonna happen, right? Like it's a very common place to think that, as soon as PayPal or Square, started letting people buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through their platform, it's kind of safe to say that other bigger places like Tesla, maybe Disneyland, maybe, your regular cell phone provider are going to start accepting cryptocurrency and, as payment. Because eventually it's not even a double-edged sword, right? The good thing is that more than likely Bitcoin is going to keep going up. And if all these companies start purchasing or start accepting Bitcoin as currency, that means that, in theory, there's a chance that their investments can actually go up, an astronomical amount over the years, right? Just by them holding Bitcoin. So, we'll see where all this goes. But yeah, Tesla buys $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. I'll see you guys later.